Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. We're going to do a quick walkthrough. You'll see the photos online have the light blue hull sides, and we've also done it with the light blue underside gel coat for the hardtop to match. For power, we have the V8 300 horsepower Mercury, and that's done in white. Live well here at the aft corner. You have a really nice transom seat with high backrest, really deep. It's one of the most comfortable seats in this space. The nice thing is it tucks into the transom. Very easy to maneuver. Topside access to your bilge. On the port side, I've got a really nice seat that is multi-position. You can lay it down for an aft-facing lounger, back-to-back seat, or you can prop up this seat here to give you a forward-facing lounger. Forward of that is your head compartment. You do have a freshwater sink in there. Nice high back captain's chair with flip up thigh rise at the helm. It is digital throttle and shift. Your Bluetooth JL audio system. This is the upgraded audio system with the amplifier and subwoofer. Nice big Simrad digital dash, and that's done with the acrylic black inlay. Simrad VHF radio, in-floor ski locker, and can also be used as a fish box. It does have a pump out. Some really nice storage underneath the helm, and that can be accessed through the backrest of this seat as well. Boat is outfitted with a through-hull windlass. You also have a freshwater sprayer at the bow of the boat and at the transom entry door. That's a real quick look at our 2026 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.